Hello, lovely people. You are welcome back to Daybreak Again Reactions. It's your boy Pato. If you are joining us for the first time, you are definitely welcome. And as a matter of fact, I want you to be a part of the Daybreak Again family. So go on ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit also the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that anytime I post something you don't miss it. I believe that you will enjoy this reaction, so let's go and have fun with
all the songs. I drop Rap Citizen, man, it hasn't belonged. A black band too, brother, that's where I belong. You a copycat rapper, you can never catch a rat in the dark, they can still make me out.
Alright guys, so we have King B Swag. He calls this one The Last Laugh, which is a Mex Cortez diss. Okay, Mex Cortez, he came out with Nail in the Coffin, and this is King B's response to Nail in the Coffin. So let's go and see how King B will match up to that. Okay.
Sound like that. You take my ball shallow, yet you got drowned, lost in shallow waters with no hope to be found.
You say my ball shallow, but then you got lost in shallow waters with no hopes to be found. Okay.
Ball shallow, yet you got drowned, lost in shallow waters with no hope to be found. A clown with no account, stalking body counts and nobody counts. You kill who? Sit the floor, nobody down. I make you switch your style again.
He says, a clown without an account. You say you killed me. See the floor. There's nobody on the ground, so you did not kill me. Okay.
Stalking body counts and nobody counts. You kill who? Sit the floor, nobody down. I make you switch your style again. You only trying to rap right, throwing shout outs to the west. My nigga trying to act right, take you out the coffin.
He says my nigga is trying to act right because he's trying to throw shout outs to the West. You feel me? Because King B feels that, okay, he belongs to the West. And now Mex Cortez wants to give, the West some shout outs, okay? Trying to also gain some fans across the border. But you remember, King B also throws a shout out to the Eastern people. He says, you know what, I got love for you. I just have a problem with Mex Cortez. So you know how these artists, they play each other? Okay, that's nice.
You only trying to rap right, throwing shout outs to the West. My nigga trying to act right, take you out the coffin, outbox, that's the left right. You still so wrong for what you did, like you left right. The Google or not, I still rap in Swahili, that's when I killed you.
Okay, King B says, whether Google or not, I still killed you because I still rapped in Swahili. Okay, so back in Nail in the Coffin, back to Mex Cortez. Mex Cortez on his track said that King B is as broke as the Swahili he spoke, or the Swahili lines he gave in his other two diss tracks, because it looks as if he Googled and used Google Translator so that he can use the Swahili lines, because it sounded a broken Swahili. All right, but King B right here says it doesn't matter whether it's broken or not. I still spoke your language, and that is when I killed you. Okay.
You did like you left right. The Google or not, I still rapped in Swahili. That's when I killed you. You still couldn't rap in Hindi, nigga. Believe me. I can rap in any language I want. Man, this shit is really easy. Escucha me.
Alright, so King B says, I can spit in any language that I want. But for you, Mex Cortez, you still couldn't rap in Hindi. So, he is still attacking him about his other half of being an Indian, right? But hey, Mex Cortez in his other track, okay, in his Nail in the Coffin also said, the only thing Indian about me is just a notion, it's just an idea. Okay, because my African roots stand still like the last of a dying breed. This is beef and everything goes. So on both sides, everybody is standing strong on what they are and what they believe. Okay.
I can rap in any language I want. Man, this shit is really easy. Escucha amigo, soy el número uno. Africa sabe que eres segundo. El continente africano al mundo. So I'm telling all my haters, fam. Devido, cut your hair and kill you.
All right, so King B got in a little Spanish. Okay, I heard a few words in Spanish, but you know, Spanish is the second language in US. So with King B living in the US, there's the opportunity for him to learn Spanish as well. So I believe, you know, he got something like that, you know, under his sleeve. That's good.
Mundo, so I'm telling on my haters, fam. Davido, cut your hair and kill you. Since you're trying to punch like Samson, call Kanye and Paul Bearer for your funeral using a Samsung. Go reach some.
All right, so he says, since you are trying to punch like Samson, I will still catch you, grab you, and kill you. You remember Mescortez on his other track, Nail in the Coffin, says his punchlines will land on King B like Samson in the Bible, though he is not biblical. Okay, all right.
Since you're trying to punch like Samson, call Kanye and Paul Bearer for your funeral using a Samsung. Go reach some Samsung. King B swag is hotter than the desert. Don't let me put you in the sand, son. You gave me 40.
All right, so King B says King B is hotter than the desert. So don't let me put you in the sand. You know the desert sand is very, very hot. Okay, so he says, Mescortez, don't force me to put you in the sand, because my bars, my lyrics, you know, my flow, my style is hotter than what? The desert. Okay.
Son, King B swag is hotter than the desert. Don't let me put you in the sand, son. You gave me 48 hours. I came out in 22. I gave you 30. Yet you couldn't pull through. So tell me.
All right, so King B says, you know what, Mescortez, you gave me 48 hours. I came through with 22. I gave you 30, and yet you couldn't pull through. Okay, you know. All right.
Came out in 22. I gave you 30. Yet you couldn't pull through. So tell me who's who. I treat my enemies like a breaking event, so I'ma put you on the news too. I'm a hard rapper with a god body. Beef kills, man, I got bodies. Use your own language in a fucking diss track. That's how you got beats back and forth, nigga.
Alright, so King B says, I rap battled you and I killed you using your own native language. You know, the Swahili. He talked about that and he is repeating it right here again. Okay.
Man, I got bodies. Use your own language in a fucking diss track. That's how you got beats back and forth, nigga, like a rodeo. Get played on the radio. We can D still 221, nigga. If you're ready, yo, so fluent in my.
All right, so King B says, if you are ready for this battle, we can go at each other's neck. Okay, for 221. Okay, I don't care. I am ready. But if you are ready, that is how far I can take you. I can match you punch for punch, boot for boot, you know, bar for bar, lyrics for lyrics. Okay.
Get played on the radio. We can D still 221, nigga. If you're ready, yo, so fluent in my mother tongue. You don't have to look far for it. Man, you can hear it in my other songs. I drop Rap Citizen. Man, it hasn't been long.
Okay, all right. So King B is saying that I can rap in my mother tongue. Okay, you can check my my other songs like Rap Citizen. You can check that because in that song he says he rapped in his mother tongue. Because he's saying this because Mescortez said probably he is trying to speak Swahili because he cannot spit in his mother tongue. So this is the reply to Mescortez. But you know, because this is beef, I would have wished that, you know, he could have addressed that by spitting on this one in his mother tongue. You know, that is how you prove your point. That is how you prove yourself. That is how the competition, you know, gets enticing and competitive. Yeah.
For it, man, you can hear it in my other songs. I drop Rap Citizen, man, it hasn't been long. A black band too, brother, that's where I belong. You a copycat rapper, you can never catch a rat in the dark.
He says you are a copycat rapper and you can never catch a rat. A copycat rapper who can never catch a rat. You know, cat catches rats. Okay, all right, or cat catches mouse. And I know why he's saying rat, because I can tell you in the US they call mouse rats. Yeah.
In my other songs I drop Rap Citizen, man, it hasn't been long. A black band too, brother, that's where I belong. You a copycat rapper, you can never catch a rat in the dark, they can still make me out. I'm like a bat. Eminem gotta sue you, nigga, for biting his raps. The conversation.
Eminem got to sue you for biting his raps. So Kim B is telling Max Cortez, like, you know what, Eminem got to sue you for biting his raps. I don't think Max Cortez did anything that will violate Eminem's, tracks. It was just references whereby we even have to, refer people that this is what he means by what he's saying. But it wasn't direct quotes, or he didn't sample his music or anything. Okay, so hey, Eminem can never sue Mes Cortez over this one. All right, Kimby, let's go. He says Eminem got to sue you over biting his lyrics. Oh my God. It's all good.
Make me out, I'm like a bat. Eminem gotta sue you, nigga, for biting his raps. The conversation in this hater's mouth, I'm like a chat. You're not even the man, you're not even the This is the last laugh. Never do your blood, you copy in the This is the last laugh. You ain't that type of nigga that I could go to. I swear to God, if I get a chance, I might choke you.
All right, the hook sounds good, man. Can be giving us some hooks. That sounds good, man. I like that.
You're not even the man, you're not even the This is the last laugh. Never do your blood, you copy in the This is the last laugh. Switch places with Diamond Platinum. He looks more of a rapper. You got his swag, nigga, of an animal tracker. Nigga, you chick.
He says Mes Cortez needs to switch places with Diamond Platinum because Diamond Platinum looks more like a rapper. You know how, the fashion style of Diamond Platinum, he comes out with a lot of swag, right? So Kim B is saying you need to switch places with Diamond Platinum and let Diamond Platinum actually represent rap music in Tanzania. Okay.
He looks more of a rapper. You got his swag, nigga, of an animal tracker. Nigga, you chip like a tracker.
Okay, so he says Mes Cortez got the swag of an animal trucker, and he's a chip like what? A sim trucker. Oh, okay.
Rapper, you got his swag, nigga, of an animal tracker. Nigga, you chip like a tracker. I don't expect no gratitude right now. Man, you can thank me after. If I ever catch you in traffic, I'ma walk and snatch you out of your car. Then it's time.
He says, if I ever see you in traffic, I'll walk up to you and snatch you out of your car, right? And then what you gonna do to him? Okay?
If I ever catch you in traffic, I'ma walk and snatch you out of your car. Okay. Then it's time to get tragic. Jab you 100 times while you keep bleeding. I let you have it. Shoot both of your knees, cut your tongue, pull your guts out.
Kim B says he will pull Mes Cortez from his car, stab him 100 times, pull out his guts, do all sort of brutal stuff to him. Okay. But I know he is replying to Mes Cortez directly on the part when Mes Cortez also said he will put this snake in a cobra clutch, lift him with one hand and ask him how he's doing. And I explained to you in that video what a cobra clutch and the slam cobra clutch means. Deadly moves that is used in wrestling like that. So he's indirectly or directly replying that part of Mes Cortez's lines. That is why he's saying that I'll also stab you 100 times, pull your guts and all that. You feel me? Okay.
I'ma walk and snatch you out of your car. Then it's time to get tragic. Jab you 100 times while you keep bleeding. I let you have it. Shoot both of your knees, cut your tongue, pull your guts out, play them like a string, like I'm about to make a song. Then tie you in the back of my car as I drive along. Oh shit, I forgot. I'ma park the car and go back to your car. Tie your girl against the seat. I don't give a fuck about the bitch. I set the car ablaze. That's what you get, nigga, for fuck.
Okay. Kimbi says, you know what? Stab you 100 times. I will shoot both of your knees, cut them off, pull out your guts, and use them to play like a string. You feel me? And then I will tie you to my car, drive away, but oh shit, I forgot you have your girl in the car. So I will come back to your car, I will tie your girl to the seat, and then I will set your car ablaze. Okay. Oh my my God. Okay, Kimby. Okay, Kimby. Let's go.
I don't give a fuck about the bitch. I set the car blaze, that's what you get. Okay. Nigga, for fucking with a beat. Can have the seconds and the minutes, can be the man of the hour. James St. Patrick's, I'm only coming for the power. West Africa, the rap game is.
Kimby says, hey, West Africa, I am coming for the power. Kimby wants to rule Africa. Kimby wants to be, you know, the hottest rapper in West Africa. So he's coming. He says, everybody, every rapper in West Africa, take a back seat right now because Kimby is walking in. He is just warming up. Okay.
Get nigga for fucking with a beat. Can have the seconds and the minutes, can be the man of the hour. James St. Patrick's, I'm only coming for the power. West Africa, the rap game is ours. See the game from a bird's eye view. I'm on the towers, the last laugh.
Okay, actually he says West Africa, the game is ours. So he's not claiming the throne yet. He says West Africa, the rap game is ours. It does not belong to the East. Okay, so you know, Kimby is just kind of pushing where his region, okay, where he comes from. He says, I am West African, so you know, I am pushing for West African rap to kind of rule the African rap game. All right, okay.
Woo! Talking about a Komodo dragon when there's real dragons over here. Real.
Alright, so Kimby says you are talking about Komodo dragons when they are real dragons here. Real dragons, it means, you know, those that spit fire. But, you know, Komodo dragons, they kind of work with their venom. Very deadly animals too, yeah?
Dragons that spit fire. Shout out to the entire African continent.
Okay.
It was a good exercise. If you clap back, I'ma clap back.
Alright, so King B says, Mes Cortez, if you clap back, he will also clap back. But this has been a good exercise. That is what he says. Already, Mes Cortez has expressed that he's not going to waste his time with King B again because King B does not have the lyrics to match him. So King B also says, I have clapped back, but if you clap back again, I will clap back. All right. All right, guys. So that was King B for us. The last laugh, a reply to Mes Cortez's nail in the coffin. Let me know what you think. I think he kept it simple. It's a nice one. I like it. You know, the rap game is on. The rap game is on. If you are weak, you are out. I have the next video right there on your screen. Kill some time with it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you take your exit. All right, your boy Pato. I will see you in the next reaction. I am out.